Hey people, get ready to bake with me the best fudgy chocolate brownies ever. These brownies are full of chocolate and flavor, very rich, gooey, and absolutely delicious. Come with me, let's bake this together. For this recipe, you'll be needing 2/3 cups all-purpose flour, a 1/4 level teaspoon baking powder, a 1/4 heaped teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup white sugar, 2 tablespoons coffee liquor, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons vanilla flavor, 2 cups dark chocolate chips. Save 1/2 cup for later. For the toppings, you have the optional toppings like the crushed cookies, chopped nuts, and extra chocolate chunks. For this recipe, we're starting with the base. In a saucepan over low heat, mix together the sugar, butter, and coffee liquor. Stir until the butter melts and the mixture starts bubbling. Now stir in 1.5 cups of chocolate chips until smooth and thick. Whisk in the egg until the batter is glossy and elastic. Now stir in the vanilla flavor, then sift in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix all together until just combined. Now fold in the remaining 1/2 cup of chocolate chips for extra melty goodness. Pour the batter into a 7-inch square pan lined with parchment paper. Now top with cookies, nuts, and more chocolate because this is absolutely worth it. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees centigrade for 25 minutes. Once the brownies are done, let it cool completely before turning it out of your cake pan and further let it cool completely till it solidifies. Enjoy. What do you think about this result? Do you think it's worth the hype? I mean, this brownies is the absolute truth, and I absolutely enjoyed making it together with you all. So if you enjoyed learning this recipe, do let me know in the comments. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video.